Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Ateca 1 litre TSI 115 PS output finished in Mediterranean blue. Features on the car are the daytime running lamps, 16-inch alloy wheels, integrated LED indicators in the mirror housing. This is an S model and offers fantastic value. Huge loading space with 60-40 split seats that fold down. Inside the car seats 5 in total, and both outer rear seats have Isofix. Car features 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 8,500 miles. Benefits from a large touchscreen media display with Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation, and a main menu switch. Air conditioning, storage at the front with 2 USB ports and 3.5mm auxiliary, hill hold facility, and armrest and storage in the centre. If you'd like any further details, please contact Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.